So it's not uncommon that as a result of your vehicle being in an auto body or collision repair center such as ours, that we're going to have to perform some mechanical work. Now, most of this mechanical work we can perform in-house because we've got a trained technician, we've got the right tooling and the right equipment. Occasionally, very occasionally, we may have to sublet it out to another party to perform that work. But Danny, what are some of the systems and features that we're going to have to take a look at in regards to mechanical systems?
Yeah, so we're going to be looking at the cooling system on the vehicle. This can include your air conditioning, the heater, making sure the vehicle's operating correctly and the engine's getting the proper fluids that it needs. We can also be doing work to your suspension, making sure we inspect it, maybe a wheel alignment, even replacing some of these components. We're also going to be inspecting the airbags and the seatbelt systems on the car. And again, if those need to be replaced, we're going to be doing those, taking care of that on your vehicle. We're going to be looking at the electrical, the wiring, scanning. There's a lot of things that go into the mechanical portion of your vehicle. So again, we'll make sure we get that done before the vehicle moves on to the next stage. If you found today's tip helpful, please hit that thumbs up button and share the video with your family and friends. Comment below for any future suggestions.
These videos are made possible by the Society of Collision Repair Specialists. SCRS and their members are committed to the future of the collision repair industry and serving you, the consumer, well. For more information, visit scrs.com or use the link in the description below.